Alright friends, we have seen private and public access modifiers in our previous lesson. So we have come to the topic of protected. So protected is an access modifier in Java that allows variable or methods to be accessed from subclasses. So let's define a class property here. I say public string name, for example. So here in my main function, you see I'm creating an object using dog class, but dogs inherit from animals. So animal is my parent class. So as you see, when I use public keyword, I can reach here alex.name these properties. I can assign a value. I can do anything when I use public keyword. But when I use private keyword, I can only access inside this class. As you see, I got an error. The field animal.name is not visible. I cannot see that. But when I use protected access modifier, I can reach it. The subclass can access this data property. And I'm creating an object here. I also the parent class data member, data property. I hope you understand it. I mean, even though the name is declared in the parent, it's fully usable. It's fully usable in the subclass and accessible via the object. Alright.